What's up, y'all? So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be showcasing the brand new Propstream app that just got done coming out. This just dropped today, and within 24 hours of probably, or right now as you watch this video, it's going to be released on Android as well. So be excited, guys. This video I'm going to be showing y'all how you can use this app and how you can maximize your business, okay? I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so this is the brand new Propstream app. This is my first walkthrough through this entire thing. And we're just going to play with it a little bit, see what we can figure out with this, okay? And hopefully this will help you guys out that are just downloading this, that are trying to maximize it, right? So here you have the dashboard to the entire application. You have your address, your APN, and then your geolocate. And I'll go over each one right now. So it looks like you can search a property by the county and by the APN number. You can also search a property by the address. If I wanted to, I could type in, let's say, this is a house that I just got done buying, 19235 Points Edge. I could search this here, right? Click on the thing. And it looks like it's pulling up some of the information about the property. So that's super cool. Yeah, these are the houses. We just listed this thing on the market, by the way. So this is super cool. It looks like you can see the comps. That's exactly what we have it listed for, which I think is cool. Opportunity, current value at $157,000. Looks like rent $1,280. We were renting this house right now for $1,250 a month, so that's pretty cool. If I wanted to, I could skip trace it. It's still showing the previous owner because everything's kind of backed up right now because of the coronavirus. I could send this lead a postcard. They have multiple templates here, as you guys can see. And then I can also print out, looks like a comp report, a comparative market analysis, and the assessor map. I can look at directions and it'll kind of give me an idea how I can get there. I can use this as a GPS. So check this out. It says 10 miles away from where I'm currently at. Duration's 20 minutes. That's super dope. So let's go ahead and go back, right? Now let's check out geolocate. Now this looks like the entire map. It's showing me where I'm at right now in my office. So you can use this just like you would the Driving for Dollars app, and instead of building the list out online, obviously I'm zooming into a neighborhood on Horizon Drive, but instead of doing all of this online, it essentially brings Propstream to your phone. So if I click the top of this property right here, let's take a look at it. Boom, it brings up the property information. I'll check out the details of the house, and it's the same thing. So this is currently an off-market property. You could see the ownership information here, the property characteristics, the size of the building, and then all the land location information, the legal description. This is gonna make anybody's job super, super easy, especially if you're out there and you're driving for dollars. Or even if you just walk up to a property and it needs like a lot of work, right? You can input that information to your Propstream app and maximize the crap out of it. So let's go ahead and check out favorites. So this is the property I just got done adding a little while ago. Let's see, click on this. The property is currently favorited. This is a house that I was just showing. This is my second take on this video, by the way, so it's pretty exciting. But you can see this house was currently listed on the MLS. It was listed on the MLS at a certain time. And you'll see this person bought the property in 2015. If I look at the opportunity, they have one open mortgage on this house. They owe $207,000. There's $55,000 of equity. The rent in that property is $1,995. This is a prime subject to deal. You know, obviously there may not be an indication this person's going to want to sell, but if you see here, they pulled this from the MLS, right? The house sold for $288,000. Probably posted that on Zillow or something because I'm in a non-disclosure state. So you can favorite your properties, add them all here. You can even click on drive. This is super awesome. So I can record the drive and then click on just drive. Propstream would like to access your motion and fitness activity, all right? Background locations not enabled. Settings. Well, I can enable it if I wanted to. We'll go back to the app for right now. So this is super cool. It looks like I can even track the miles that I can drive. So as you can see right here, you said the duration and even like the time frame that we're doing this. Let's go ahead and end that in this drive. And then I can set filters. But that's pretty cool, guys. If you're doing this business, it's a tax deductible every single time you drive a couple of miles, you spend money on gas. These are all things because your car is essentially, you know, when you're in the vehicle and you're on business hours, you can claim that amount of time in your taxes. So this makes it super, super easy. When you look at your history here, you're gonna be able to see some of the properties that you just got done looking up. So you see all of these I just showcased to you now. If you click on more, this is super awesome right here. So it'll tell you the amount of leads that you have to download. So I pay for the $100,000 a month plan, so I can get a little bit of everything. You can have your account information here, your mobile activity with your drive log. If you need help with the app, they got the customer support here. And there's even some help videos, and then you can also look at the news and updates. So this is all something that's going to be added soon. So if you're watching this right now, guys, and you have an iPhone, this is something that you can download right away and put it to use. I like using the satellite image. You can also switch it to this if you'd like. But for me, I like looking at all the properties that are available in the area. So this is super cool, man. This is like basically Propstream at your freaking fingertips. So guys, go ahead and click the link in the comment section below. If you already have Propstream, you can just sign in with your credentials after you log in to the app. If you want the link to the app, I'll leave it in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, man. If y'all have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. But this is super, super awesome. I'll catch you guys later.
I want to check. Check. Ooh. I want to check.